Exercise 1.3, sum number 2, subdivision number 3. Solve by matrix inversion method 2x minus z equal to 0, 5x plus y equal to 4 and y plus 3z equal to 5. So this is the triple equation solved by matrix inversion method. Okay. So in this equation, in the first equation y is missing. So only x and z are exist, y is missing. So we have to take 2x plus 0y minus z equal to 0. Second equation, z is missing. So we have to put 0 for z. So 5x plus y plus 0 z equal to 4. Finally, third equation, y and z are exist, x must be 0, so we have to take 0x plus y plus 3z equal to 5. So this is the triple equation. The system of equation ax equal to b, a values are 2 0 minus 1, 2 5 1 0 0 1 3. X can be taken as 3 variables x, y, z and b can be taken as 0, 4, 5. So the matrix inversion formula is x equal to a inverse b. First we have to calculate a inverse. A inverse equal to 1 by determinant a into adjoint a. So determinant a equal to 2 0 1 minus 1 5 1 0 0 1 3. Determinant of this 3 by 3 matrix. So 2 into 3 minus 0 minus 0 into anything is 0. So we have to put 0 minus 1 into 5 minus 0. So the value is 2 into 3 6 minus 0 minus 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. So determinant value is 1. Next we have to calculate the minor of 2. Minor of 2 is 1 0 1 3. Cross multiply 3 minus 0 equal to 3. The minor of 0 is 5 0 0 3. Cross multiply 15 minus 0 equal to 15. The minor of minus 1 is 5 1 0 1. So cross multiply 5 minus 0 equal to 5. The minor of 5 is 0 minus 1 1 3. Cross multiply 0 plus 1 equal to 1. The minor of 1 is 2 minus 1 0 3. Cross multiply 6 minus 0 equal to 6. The minor of 0 is 2 0 0 1. So cross multiply 2 minus 0 equal to 2. The minor of 0 is 0 minus 1 1 0. So cross multiply 0 plus 1 equal to 1. The minor of 1 is 2 minus 1 5 0. Cross multiply 2 into 0 is 0. 0 plus 5 equal to 5. The minor of 3 is 2 0 5 1. Cross multiply 2 minus 0 equal to 2. Next we have to compute the cofactor of this matrix. Cofactor of aij equal to minus 1 power I plus j into mij. Cofactor of a11 minus 1 power 1 plus 1 into m11. So minus 1 whole square into 3 equal to 3. Cofactor of a12 equal to minus 1 power 1 plus 2 into m12 minus 1 whole cube into 15 equal to minus 15. Cofactor of a13 equal to minus 1 power 1 plus 3 into m13 minus 1 power 4 into m13 value is 5. So value is 5. The cofactor of a21 is minus 1 power 2 plus 1 into m21 minus 1 whole cube into 1 equal to minus 1. Cofactor of a22 equal to minus 1 power 2 plus 2 into m22 minus 1 power 4 into 6 equal to 6. The cofactor of a23 equal to minus 1 power 2 plus 3 into m23 minus 1 power 5 into 2 equal to minus 2. Cofactor of a31 equal to minus 1 power 3 plus 1 into m31 minus 1 power 4 into 1 equal to 1. The cofactor of a32 equal to minus 1 power 3 plus 2 into m32. So minus 1 power 5 into 5 equal to minus 5. Cofactor of a33 equal to minus 1 power 3 plus 3 into m33. So minus 1 power 6 into 2 equal to 2. So the a complement value is 3 minus 15 5 minus 1 6 minus 2 1 minus 5 2. A complement transpose values, all the row can be changed into column. 3 minus 1 1 minus 15 6 minus 5 5 minus 2 2. So straight away applying the formula, A inverse equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. A inverse equal to determinant values 1. So 1 by 1 into 1 by 1 is 1. So remaining values are 3 minus 1 1 minus 15 6 minus 5 5 minus 2 2. Finally, we have applied the matrix inversion formula, x equal to A inverse B. So capital X equal to A inverse value is 3 minus 1 1 minus 15 6 minus 5 5 minus 2 2 into B value is 0 4 5. First row is multiplying by the first column. 3 into 0 is 0, minus 1 into 4 is minus 4, 1 into 5 is 5. Again minus 15 into 0 is 0, 6 into 4 is 24, minus 5 into 5 is minus 25. Again 5 into 0 is 0, minus 2 into 4 is minus 8, and 2 into 5 is 10. So adding all the result in the first row is 1. 24 minus 25 is minus 1, minus 8 plus 10 is 2. Capital X can be taken as a 3 variables x, y, z equal to 1, minus 1, 2. So the final answer is x equal to 1, y equal to minus 1, and z equal to 2. Hence the problem.